Are you ready to transform your living space into a culinary oasis? In today's video, we are exploring the 50 best modern kitchen and dining areas, showcasing a range of design ideas that fit every style. From simple and chic to glam and luxurious, there is something for everyone. Lulu Stamate here. Welcome to your dream kitchen dining area. Each kitchen and dining area we highlight is designed with creativity and functionality in mind. You'll see kitchens that have been meticulously curated to reflect the latest trends while maintaining an inviting atmosphere. Pictures this: warm wood tones paired with sleek stainless steel. That's the perfect blend of modern elegance. Join us on this journey. So, whether you are planning a full renovation or just looking for a bit of inspiration, we invite you to sit back, grab your notepad, and dive into this visual feast. What's your favorite part of your kitchen dining area? Do you prefer the cozy dining nook or the sleek cooking area? Let's discuss. And don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's chat about what kitchens means to us. Also, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and ring that notification bell so you'll never miss out on our latest design inspiration. Let's get started. Get ready to dream big. The kitchen and dining areas are often regarded as the heart of the home, serving as vital spaces for gathering, socializing, and culinary creativity. These rooms not only function as venues for meal preparation and dining, but also facilitate meaningful interactions among family members and friends. As lifestyles evolve, the emphasis on designing these spaces has shifted towards creating environments that are not only functional but also aesthetically pleasing. Modern design, a significant trend in today's home decor, embraces simplicity, streamlined shapes, and a blend of functionality with style. This approach offers a fresh perspective on kitchen and dining areas, employing open layouts and multifunctional furniture to maximize utility without sacrificing beauty. The modern aesthetic often incorporates a neutral color palette, complemented by bold accents, creating spaces that feel both sophisticated and inviting. The spectrum of modern kitchen and dining designs is vast, from minimalist setups that promote clutter-free surfaces and simple lines that glamorous themes infused with luxurious materials and intricate details. The options are plentiful. Contemporary trends highlighted the use of innovative technologies and eco-friendly materials, ensuring that the spaces are not only chic but also sustainable. Moreover, the rise of industrial and Scandinavian styles has added diverse elements to modern designs, combining practicality with visual appeal. This blog post aims to explore 50 of the best modern kitchen and dining areas, delving into various design trends and offering inspiration for those looking to transform these essential spaces in their homes. Whether you are drawn to sleek contemporary kitchens or alluring, luxurious dining areas, this comprehensive guide will showcase a plethora of styles to suit every taste and preference. In the ever-evolving realm of interior design, kitchens have emerged as pivotal spaces that reflect both functionality and aesthetic appeal. Currently, a variety of kitchen styles are trending, ranging from minimalistic design to intricate, luxurious setups. Each style emphasizes unique elements that cater to different tastes and functional needs. One of the prominent style is the minimalist kitchen, which champions a clean and uncluttered aesthetic. This design focuses on simple lines, neutral color palettes, and minimal decorative elements. The ethos of minimalism is reflected in the use of sleek materials such as stainless steel and quartz, which not only enhance durability but also add a touch of elegance. Open shelving is a favorite feature, providing both functionality and a modern look that showcases dishes and cookware as stylish decor. On the opposite end of the spectrum, the sophisticated kitchen incorporates luxurious items that evoke indulgence. Rich color schemes such as deep navy or emerald paired with metallic accents define this style. High-end appliances, custom cabinetry, and intricate backsplashes serve as key components. Elements such as statement lighting fixtures or ornate handles elevate the overall design, transforming the kitchen into a focal point of the home. Additionally, many homeowners are blending styles, creating personalized kitchen spaces that cater to their unique needs. For instance, a transitional kitchen combines the simplicity of contemporary design with vintage-inspired elements, resulting in a warm and inviting atmosphere. Features might include a mix of open and closed cabinetry, paired modern appliances with classic furnishings, thus offering functionality without sacrificing charm. The vast array of modern kitchen styles offers something for everyone, whether leans toward the simplicity of minimalism or the opulence of a high-end design. It is evident that today's kitchens prioritize both aesthetic allure and practical design. Modern kitchen and dining areas have become a canvas for artistic expression, reflecting the diverse cultural narratives from across the globe. In recent years, designers have increasingly sought inspiration from various countries, allowing unique elements from different cultures to influence modern design trends. For instance, the minimalist aesthetics of Japanese kitchens, characterized by clean lines and functional designs, have gained popularity. The integration of sliding doors and natural materials emphasizes simplicity, creating a serene cooking environment that many find inviting. By exploring various international styles, homeowners can imbue their kitchen and dining areas with character and warmth. You, dear friends, I encourage to consider your cultural roots and share how these influences shape your own modern spaces. Such interaction can inspire the creation of unique environments that blend personal history with the global trends, resulting in kitchens and dining areas that are not only stylish, but also filled with narrative and joy. Thanks for joining us. We've just explored 50 amazing and trendy design ideas that can transform your kitchen and dining area. From simple and stylish to sophisticated and luxurious, there is something here for everyone. Whether your style is more minimalist or You prefer a glamorous touch. I hope you found plenty of inspiration during this video. What's your favorite? I'd love to hear which design really caught your eye. Was it the chic simplicity of a sleek countertop, or maybe that extravagant chandelier that stole the show? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback not only helps create more engaging content but also builds a fantastic community where we can all share ideas and inspiration together. Don't forget to subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you'll never miss out on our latest design tips and trends. We got a lot more exciting content coming your way to keep your creativity flowing. And by the way, if you're feeling particularly inspired, why not check out our other videos on home decor? Remember, your kitchen is the heart of your home. Let's make it fabulous. Bye now.